Hello everyone, my name is Joe Scorson from Scorson Enterprises, and I want to tell you guys about a partnership I have with Bull Trade Finder. So, what is Bull Trade Finder? Bull Trade Finder is a trading community on Discord and X and StockTwits, I believe, and other social medias as well. And what it is on Discord is a premium community where people can sign up and get live trade alerts and stuff like that. You guys could also tune in on X, Twitter Spaces, and hear a lot of us chat. We're on pretty much almost every day. But yeah, Bull Trade Finder and the strategy that I made is going to be the focus of this video. So like I said before, Bull Trade Finder is a trading community. Different traders and different systems give alerts in it. And now I'm a part of it. So let's talk about what the strategy that I made is. If you guys have followed my channel for a while, you'd know that I made a lot of order flow strategies. And the way that mine, of course, differs from things that I've just put online is the nuance and just different use of machine learning. I haven't seen the way that I do it anywhere online. That's not necessarily to toot my own horn, but to let you guys know that this might be something worth actually checking out. Of course, you wouldn't actually see the strategy, it's closed source, but you would have access to its alerts. Yeah, so what is the strategy? So if you guys remember in the other order flow videos, part of the strategy is classifying the market to then look for a certain kind of imbalance. How do you classify it? That's where the ML comes in. Machine learning, ML, yada, yada. That's where that comes in. So my use of it, you'll see later on, is very, very accurate at classifying the market correctly to then look for the correct imbalance. So I do have a backtest to show you guys, but I don't want that to be the focus on the video. So we're going to talk a little bit more about what everything is, and then we're going to get into the backtest a little bit later on, because backtests aren't marketing. Backtests were just my tool to validate the idea I had about this trading system, right? So getting a prediction or getting a classification isn't necessarily the hard part. It's knowing when it's wrong. It's knowing when it's wrong and being able to update quickly. That's the different approach that is in this system that I haven't seen anywhere else. I haven't seen it be so what's the word for it? So quick, so just elegant in how quickly and how easily you can know, okay, I'm wrong now, let's classify it a different way. So that's that. So we're going to get into this backtest a little bit. First, I want to show you guys the alert would come up like this, just as a simple webhook alert. We've all seen these before. Of course, there would be other channels that you guys would have with your VIP membership to Bull Trade Finder, right? So yeah, let's get into this backtest a little bit. So there's a few things that I want to point out about this backtest. First one is the high starting value for it starts at 750,000. If you guys have ever done backtests on on Quant Connect, you guys would know how picky it is sometimes with warnings and with just like the drawdown. Sometimes it'll just freak out a little bit if your drawdown's a little high, even though you're not actually taking on that much of a percent of your cash with each trade. But you know, sometimes you just gotta make the technology happy. So this backtest is with ES and NQ contracts. That is also what you would get in Bull Trade Finder. So the maximum position in this backtest would be 2 contracts at the same time. Just one at a time, but see, long entry, short entry. So if these were the same day, so you would be able to have 2 contracts on at the same time. The next thing I want you guys to pay attention to is how straight this line is, how smooth it is. Of course, there are periods of downturns, drawdowns, that's the word for it. There are periods of drawdowns, there are periods of stagnant returns. That is present in every single trading strategy. I'm not going to tell you guys that mine's perfect, I found the formula. No, I didn't. I just found a different way to do it that seems to be pretty dang reliable. So there's that aspect of it. And next is the risk. So you can see here that it does come out to be very one-to-one in the actual backtest itself, but it is with 50 basis points in either direction for both trades, so 0.5%. So with that one-to-one risk, we're winning 4% over, oh my gosh, we are winning 4% more trades than we need to break even. Of course, with one-to-one risk to reward, you need to win half your trades to break even. Just 1% of your trades to, you need to win 50% of your trades to break even, just 51 to make money, or at 54 for the year. Another thing to pay attention to about this backtest is it starts in January of 24. No, that is not all the time I used to test this. I did go back further, but I think, in my mind, as a customer, I wouldn't care if I could make money in 2020 and 2021 with the system. Does that make sense? That's the approach I took. Of course, I use them to test because there are specific market scenarios in there that I want to know if it could handle. Like, yeah, I could handle the COVID crash and stuff like that. But even I don't want to use that as a selling point. Backtests, they're not marketing. I don't want to sell you guys some weird fallacy because even you guys have to take my word for it that this is the strategy. Of course, I have better things to do than to fake a backtest, but you know what I mean. I don't like using backtests as marketing, but I explained to you guys the concept about the trading strategy, the different uses, the different kind of use of machine learning to classify markets. I'm showing you guys a proof of concept pretty much, and I'm showing you guys how in different alerts. Now this is actually a picture of the backtest of 2020 to 2024, so there you go. That is in the channel as well. And as of December 20th to present, it is 6 of 7. So you guys could see all of that in there. Yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to talk about in this video. This is the Bull Trade Finder website right here. This will be in the description. This is Bull Trade Finder's WAP page. You could get to this from his website. This is his X account right here, in case you guys recognize him. This is mine, right? So I just like to thank you guys all for watching. I would like to thank you guys for checking this out and taking the time out of your day to take a look at the thing that I made and listen to the partnership I'm announcing. But yeah, Bull Trade Finder has been great to me. It's about time I give back and make another service for him, right? So yeah, hope that you guys enjoy this video. Hope that you guys check out Bull Trade Finder. Hope that you guys find value in what we do. Nobody makes us do it. We do it because we like it. We do it because we like to see you guys succeed as well. So yeah, of course, none of those prior backtests, no prior information or data that I've shown is indicative of future events. No, this trading strategy is not 100% perfect. Of course it's not. Nothing is. And no, there's no guarantees that you will make money. There's not a single guarantee about that. The strategy is not like gospel, it's just another service that I'm providing. So I wanted to talk about it, but yeah, you guys of course would have to, agree to terms and conditions, all that, yada yada, when you sign up. It says yada yada. I'm kidding. But yeah, I just wanted to make that all clear. That was just another part of the Bull Trade Finder ecosystem, but it's still up to you to make the decisions. Use these things as tools and you'll be fine and you'll be good. So yeah, that's all I have to say. I thank you guys again for watching it. We're gonna have a great year. I'll see you guys in the next one.